Let's take a look at what happened today in the stock market in this short trading session. So Tesla closed at 315.35, down 30 cents. Post market, we are down by $1 approximately. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's take a look at the facts. Remember, a couple of days ago, we went outside of this bullish channel, came back in. We are still in. So, what we had identified as a potential congestion zone right here at 295. Don't sell when we get outside of a bullish channel because it could be going sideways. This is exactly what it did. It went sideways for one day. Could have stayed there for months. For one day, went sideways, then boom, came back into our bullish channels. This is guiding the stock movement of Tesla right now. This is what's guiding it. Boom, boom. Each time we come to this line, we bounce. Went outside one day. Okay. And we bounced yesterday and also bounced today. Look at this. If you take a look at this, look at this perfection. This is so beautiful to see. This is the line. This is the body of yesterday's candle. The body is right here. And this is the bottom of today's candle. 313.13. What is the low today? The low today is 312.76. So, we are off by maybe 50 cents. So this is pretty good. Smack on it. Right smack on this line, 313.13. Right smack on our line. And we have a little bit of a move up. We have a red candle because we opened higher than where we closed today. But if you look at the overall candle, including the top and the bottom, we still closed higher than where we were yesterday. Still closed higher than where we were 2 days ago. So we are slowly moving up. This is still in the right direction. But not everything has been gained though. Not everything has been gained. We are back into our congestion zone at 313.13 and 335.32. This is where we are. We need to break that number right here. We are still into our downward channel. Tesla has a lot of resistance to cross before we can call it a buy on the daily chart. Once we break this downward resistance right here, then we are going to start thinking that we could be going sideways. So maybe there is a little bit of a trade here up to 360.65. Because we are going to be outside of this bearish channel, it won't mean that we are ready to go higher, but we could be going sideways. So this is the sideways part. We can still make money on that sideways part. But when we are going to break 360.65, when we are going to break that, then this is going to be a nice buy opportunity. We are going to need stochastic over 60. We are going to need, with our DMI, it will need to be green. So we don't have all of those things. Yes, we are happy that we are moving back into this bullish channel, but we still have a bunch of hurdles to cross. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, this is pretty funny because, we have a downward resistance right here. We have 313.13 and look at how precise everything is. This is the bullish channel right here and look at the candles. The candles are touching everything. Tesla is really teasing us. It is really teasing us right here. It's going to have to make a decision. Is it going this way? Is it going lower? It's going to have to make another decision right here. It's going to have to make a decision soon, very soon. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX is lower. We are at 1637. This is fantastic. We could not go lower than 1658 right here. This was our floor, the support we call. And today, boom, went lower than that. This is great news. This is going to help the stock market. And if we take a look at our watch list, look at this, all green, almost all green. This is looking very good. Bonds are going higher, so that's a little bit of a concern though. So this is a little bit of a concern. We like bonds to go lower. In terms of the stock indices, all good. Dow Jones up 0.77%, getting close to some resistance at 45,075. This is going to be a major test because at that number, we used to cave in. We are used to cave in, so this is going to be a good test. Is it going to cave in? And this is why we have these lines again. We were zigzagging right here, had a break, we continued. So if we have a break here, we are going to continue, but we don't know if it will happen. When it happens, if it happens, then we know that we can be confident that it is going to continue. In terms of SPX is great because SPX has broken above 61.44, so this one is in a better position than Dow Jones. Nasdaq, the same thing with Nasdaq. We used to cave in, we did not cave in, we continued. So, this is looking pretty nice. Russell, the same thing with Russell. We were caving in here and we did not cave in, we continued. In terms of economic data that came out today, so we have non-farm payrolls. Number of jobs that were added, the forecast was at 100K. We had 147K. So from that aspect alone, the economy is going like this. Unemployment rate, the forecast was 4.2%. We are at 4.1%. And the services PMI, the forecast was at 49.7. We are at 50.8. All of these three sectors of the economy are doing better. So this is going to be interesting to see what is going to happen next week. I'm going to wish you a great 4th of July to all my American friends. We are going to talk on Monday unless you are a member at the buy alert level, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday. Enjoy your day off and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.